Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan Retro 4 Midnight Navy. The Jordan Retro 4 Midnight Navy dresses the silhouette in the same color blocking as the OG Fire Red colorway, but with different colors. The upper is constructed with gray support wings and navy blue paint splatter with a matching gray back heel tab and matching Jordan branding. The sneaker sits on top of a two-tone polyurethane midsole featuring an air bubble at the forefoot. This is for sure one of the cleaner colorways of the Jordan 4s that have come out. The resale price isn't too bad either, with larger sizes going for the most, but the full-size range pricing anywhere from $275 to $350 depending the size. All of the colors on this shoe come together and look perfect. This shoe will obviously match a lot of different outfits, and it's very versatile. What do you guys think of this colorway? Let me know down in the comments section below. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support, and have a great day.